Morning children, this is Richa Sahu, your science teacher. So let's start our chapter, that is acid and base. Introduction. We have lemon, bitter gourd and sugar. Some of these fruits have sour in taste, some bitter and some sweet, and some are salty. The sour, bitter and sweet and salty taste rises due to the presence of acid, bases and salt present in them. In the 17th century, chemist Robert Boyle first labeled substances as acid and bases. In this lesson, you will study about acid and bases. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to define acids, bases and salts. List the properties of acids and bases. Knowing acids. Some of us like our sour taste of food. Sometimes we know juices are also sour in taste. Generally, sour tasting substance contain acid. Some fruit contains citric acid, which is sour in taste. The original word acid is the Latin word acid, which means sour. Acid found in nature. Acid is found in natural substances such as like fruits and vegetables. Have a sting of an ant or a bee contains acid and causes the burning sensation. आपने देखा होगा जब आपको एंट या बी काटती है तो उसके स्टिंग में क्या होता है, एसिड होता है. कभी हमको काट देती है तो देखना आपको इचिंग होती है, सेंसेशन, बर्निंग, आपको जलन पड़ती है. तो ये किस वजह से होता है, एसिड के कारण. एसिड फाउंड इन नेचर. Different food items contain different acid. Citrus fruit like orange, grapes, mandarin, lemon, etc. contain citric acid. विनेगर जो आप किचन में देख सकते हैं वो क्या है, एक डाइल्यूट एसिटिक एसिड. एस्कॉर्बिक एसिड आप कहाँ देख सकते हैं, गोवा, ऑरेंज, raspberries, etc. Malic acid is found in many fruits. Apple has quite rich in ascorbic acid. चीज़ एंड कर्ड कंटेन लैक्टिक एसिड. चीज़ और कर्ड में क्या आपको कौन सा एसिड मिलेगा, लैक्टिक एसिड. वी वॉश आवर क्लॉथ्स एवरी डे विथ सोप. क्या आप जानते हैं ये किस टाइप का सॉल्यूशन है, सोप सॉल्यूशन टेस्ट बिटर. एंड ऑन रबिंग ऑन द palm it gives a slippery feeling because it contains base. Thus, those substances whose aqueous solution have a bitter taste and a slippery feel are called bases. Water-soluble bases are known as alkali. The word alkali is derived from the Arabic word alkali, meaning acid, referring to original source of alkali substance. Students, the chemical name of lime is calcium hydroxide. Lime water is prepared by dissolving lime water. Milk of magnesia is a medicine which helps us in digesting of our food. It contains magnesium hydroxide, which is a base. The baking soda is used in cake, breads and other bakery items. Contains sodium hydrogen carbonate. We use chalks in school for writing in blackboard. Is it a base or an acid? Chalk gives a basic solution dissolved in water. It is called calcium carbonate chemical. जब आपको आंट काट लेती है तो आपको बेकिंग सोडा लगाने पे क्या मिलता है, रिलीफ मिलता है. दिस इज बिकॉज बेकिंग सोडा न्यूट्रलाइजेस द एसिड प्रेजेंट इन एंट स्टिंग. अब हम देखते हैं एसिड और बेस कंबाइन होते तो क्या होता है. एन एसिड एंड अ बेस कंबाइन टू गिव सॉल्ट एंड वाटर. Adds of phenolphthalein to the hydrochloric acid HCl. Indicator remain colorless in the acidic solution. Now we add solution of hydroxide in the small portion. At a certain point, the indicator changes its color, which means acid completely neutralizes by the sodium hydroxide. The reaction of acid and bases is also known as neutralization reaction. Sometimes we feel inflammation in our stomach. Our stomach secretes a hydrochloric acid HCl, a very strong acid, which helps us to digest food. But too much secretion of acid in the stomach causes inflammation. To relieve the sensation of inflammation, an antacid is taken. Antacid contains base, which neutralizes the inflammation in our stomach. Let us summarize what we have learned. An acid is defined as a substance whose aqueous solution is characterized by a sour taste. A base is a substance whose aqueous solution has bitter taste and a slippery feel. A salt is formed when a base reacts with an acid. The reaction between an acid and a base is known as neutralization reaction. Neutralization plays an important role in our daily life. Thanks, children.